everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make an actual newborn baby booty. Most of the time they're not actually newborn, they're like newborn to 3 months. But this baby booty is an actual newborn. It is 3 inches tall and 1 3/4 wide, which is exactly what it needs to be for a newborn, which is very rare. So I'm going to show you how to make this with an H hook and with, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby, and I really do love that yarn. And it's a size 4 yarn, 4 weight. So let's get started. So first of all, get your yarn ready. Now, we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in the second chain, you're going to work 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. And then you're going to work half double crochets the rest of the way down. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to work 6 half double crochets in the last chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I always tighten it up right here on the end. And then you're going to work 3 half double crochets down the other end of your chain. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to work 2 half double crochets in your final chain. 1, 2. And now you're going to slip stitch in your first half double crochet, which is right there. It's easy to find. You could use a stitch marker too if you rather. I don't normally use stitch markers, but I guess I should sometimes. But now you're going to say chain 1, and you're going to work, you're going to skip your chain that you worked in, and you're going to work 2 half double crochets into your first 2 stitches, your half double crochets from your row before. Now you're going to work 3 half double crochets into your next 3 half double crochets from the work before. I'm trying to knot up. Now you're going to work 2 half double crochets into the next 6 half double crochets from the row before. So 1, 2, and this is the way I keep it with it. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Now you're going to work 3 half double crochets into the next you're going to work 1 in each of the next 3. 2, 3. And now you're going to work 2 half double crochets into the last 2. 1, 2, last stitch, you're going to work 2. 1, 2. And now you're going to slip stitch into the first half double crochet of the beginning row, which is going to be right here. And that's your sole. That's the sole of your bootie. Now you're going to chain 1, and in back loops only, half double crochet into the same loop that you just worked into, and you're going to work half double crochets all the way around. That's your first half double crochet, and there's going to be 26 of them. So there's your first one. Into the back loops only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whoops, sorry about that, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Now remember, that's in the back loops only. So your work's gonna look like this, and you're gonna flip it just a little bit and turn it around like this, like a little bowl. And you're going to slip stitch into the first half double crochet, which is right there, both loops, and chain 1. Now you've made the sole and come to the sides. So we've only have 3 more rows left. So you chained 1, and you're going to work 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I forgot to mention that it's in both loops now. A half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, 1 we're going to do DC 2 together into the next 6. You're going to do a DC, you're going to do 2 loops, you're going to go back into the next stitch, 2 loops, 3 loops, that's 1 DC, 2 loops together, 2 DCs together, and now you're going to do that 6 times. So that's the first one, and here's how I normally do it. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. That's 6 half double crochets, 6 double crochets together, 2 together. Now you're going to work 2, 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then you're going to work 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the end of row 4. You're going to work a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this row, row 4. Chain 1. You're going to work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, into the next stitch, two single crochets together in the next 2 stitches, which is 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. And then you're going to work another single crochet in the next stitch. One, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to work a half double crochet 2 together 3 times. So that's 1, you're going to pull through all 5 loops. Here's another one. Pull through all 5 loops. You're going to do this 3 times. Here's the last one. The third one. All 3. And there's all 5 loops, and you did 3 of them. Now you're going to do a single crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 single crochets, 2 together, 1, 2, and you're going to pull through all 3 loops, and you're going to finish up with a single crochet in the last stitch. And you're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 1. Now you're going to work 15, work a double crochet into the same stitch of your join, and you're going to work 15 double crochets all the way around. So there was your first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pull me some more yarn, 9, you can see the beginning of the booty, it's so cute, 10, 11, 12, 13, these are double crochets, 14, and you're going to finish up with that row with 15 double crochets around. And you're going to join into your first double crochet, which is right there. You're going to chain 1, and in the same stitch of your join, you're going to work 1 half double crochet. Then you're going to work 14 more all the way around. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you're going to join into the first half double crochet of that row. And that's the end. 7 rows, and usually I make my tail and clip it off, and you can also see the tail of the booty, which I don't normally do that, but for video purposes, normally I work it into the bottom as I go, but I left it undone. But you can see the finished baby booty, and if you want to, you can change colors and put a blue or pink, 1 more half double crochet row on top, and there is your baby booty. And this is the finished baby booty. Remember, it's a size 8 H crochet hook, size 4 yarn. I used Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. And that's the finished baby booty, and it's exactly a newborn. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.